Hey guys, it's a short video and I'm gonna try to help you out how we can have different styles of curves. Let's say we have a curve which is in a proper line or a proper style, but the asymptotes are in the dotted lines, right? And I'm gonna use Casio 9960 or 9860 like devices. So as you can see, we can drag it and there is an asymptote which is visible, but how can we do that on the calculator? So just go to graph and enter the first function, which is 2 to the power x plus 2, right? And as we know, the asymptote is at y equals to 2, so just enter a numerical value 2, done, draw. But right now the style is same for both. I want to change the style of the bottom, which is the asymptote. Go back to exit and go to the second curve, second line. There is a style option. So click on the style option. You can pick the last one or the second last. Once it is done, you can draw it and you will see the main curve is in proper style, but the asymptote is in that where we can see the dotted line, right? And definitely you can trace if you want to trace the graph just to help your students that how the asymptote is, why the asymptote is at 2. You can say I'm gonna go ahead, but x values is decreasing, but my value of y is nearly 2. Okay, let's try for another function. Okay, my next function is 2 plus 1 over x minus 3. Definitely you can show the dotted lines for x values as well. Exit. Let's delete this one and I'm going to enter the function as 2 plus 1 divided by, using the brackets, x minus 3. Okay, next one is 2. I know because the horizontal asymptote is at 2, and if you draw it you will see that is already in dotted, so you don't need to do anything, but we want to see the vertical asymptote as well. Go back to exit, y3, click on type, change to x equals to c, which is you need to click on F4, and here just enter a value 3 and you are done. Okay, the style was not changed yet. Let's change the style. Exit, see that one, right? And you can see the style, change it with F4, done, exit, draw. Now you can see this. You can trace the graph. Just clicking F1 to trace the graph. Look, there was an error. That's how I help my students, that's where they can figure out the asymptote, the values where they get the error in the y. So that value of x is the vertical asymptote. But for horizontal, I know it's not that easy to tell, but yeah, if you explain them in the fractional functions, definitely they will understand. Okay, drop any question if you have. Thank you. Please do try this. Change the style and see if that helps you out or not. And just telling you in terms of style or type, you can also go in the inequalities, clicking on this convergent. Look at this, y less than, y greater than. Let me choose F4 and show you how it will look like. Look at this. Just try. Thank you.